Hey everyone, it's Blaine Bellflower. I'm the treating supervisor here at Koppers, Vidalia. The next step in the life of a pole is the treating and verification process. Let's dive in. Once a pole is framed and branded according to each individual customer's specifications, it's time to treat the pole. This is done by staging poles on trams and placing them into a pressure cylinder for treatment. The doors are tightly shut and the process of treatment begins. An initial vacuum is pulled to draw the water out of the cells inside the pole. After this, the chemical, in our case CCA, is forced into the cylinder. Once the cylinder is completely full, the poles are put under pressure. This is to ensure proper penetration of the pole so that they meet all requirements necessary to be shipped out. Once the cylinder has been drained, another vacuum is pulled to get the excess chemical out of the poles. This creates a clean, properly treated pole ready for verification. Did you know that Koppers is the only wood pole provider that manufactures its own chemical preservatives? Verification is the next step in the life of a pole. Verification is necessary to ensure that top quality poles meeting all customer requirements are being sent out. This process begins once the poles are taken out of the cylinder and laid down. A Koppers employee trained in verification and quality control will then take core samples of the treated pole. A visual inspection of each core sample is done while the employee is taking the core samples. It is important to make sure that there is 3.5 inches or 90% sapwood penetration of these core samples. Once the core samples are retrieved, they are taken back to the lab for further verification. The core samples are prepped, dried, and ground into wood dust. After this, they are placed in an X-ray spectrometer. This machine produces a result displaying the pounds per cubic foot of chemical that is left in the poles. For CCA treatment like we do here, the minimum retention is 0.60 pounds per cubic foot. Once verification is complete, the poles are ready to be moved to the treated storage yard for shipment.